Now we'll go through the code. The statement include servo.h includes servo header file to the code, and we are defining the pins 12 and 11 as trick pin and echo pin respectively. And we are defining the float variables duration and distance. Now the statement servo my servo defines servo as name my servo, and in the function setup we are defining input and output. A serial.begin is used for initializing the serial monitor. The statement my servo.attach3 attaches servo on pin 3 of the Adruino. Now in the function loop we have two for loops. Now the first for loop is used for rotating the servo from 15 degree to 165 degrees. And you can see one line here, distance is equals to calculate distance. This calculate distance is a separate function where I have written the code for calculating the distance. Now the second for loop is used to revert the servo back to its initial position from which it started rotating. And the statement serial.print is used for displaying the result on the serial monitor. Now as I have already said, this is the function calculate distance where I have written a bunch of codes for calculating the distance. Now if you don't know how it works, find the link for the video in the description where I have discussed it in detail. Now for visuals, you need to install the processing app. Don't worry about the code here, just use it, but before using it just make sure that which serial port you are using. Okay, I have COM5, that's why I have inserted COM5 here. Okay, now if you have any other COM ports, you can put it here accordingly, and this piece of code should just work fine for you as well. Now let us see the output.